Have you ever walked into a hair salon in English and suddenly forgotten every word you know? You want to explain what you want, but you don't know how to describe the length, the style, or even how much to cut. And then you panic and just say, "Short, please."
That's such a real feeling. Getting a haircut is personal. You want to look good. You want to feel confident. But when you don't have the right vocabulary, it can feel stressful and awkward.
Today, we're going to practice a complete natural conversation at a hair salon. You'll learn how to describe what you want, ask questions, understand suggestions, and even clarify something if you don't understand. I'm Anna.
And I'm Leo. By the end of this video, you'll feel ready to walk into any salon and speak clearly and confidently in English.
All right, let's step into the salon.
Hi there. Welcome in. Do you have an appointment today?
Hi, yes I do. It's under Anna Collins at 2 o'clock.
Let me check. All right, I see you here. You're booked for a haircut and style. Is that right?
That's correct.
Perfect. Have a seat for just a moment. I'll be right with you. Anna?
That's me.
Great. Come on back. So what are we doing today?
Well, I'd like to change my hairstyle a little, but not too dramatically. I want something fresh and lighter, but I'm nervous about cutting too much.
I understand. That makes sense. Are you thinking about trimming it, or do you want to go noticeably shorter?
Maybe a few inches shorter. Right now it feels heavy and a bit flat.
Got it. When you say a few inches, do you mean about this much?
Yes, around that length. Maybe just below my shoulders.
Perfect. Just to clarify for everyone watching, a trim means cutting a small amount, usually just to remove split ends and clean up the shape.
Trim. That's a helpful word.
So today we're doing more than a trim, but not a dramatic cut.
Right, that's what I'm going for.
How do you usually style it? Straight, curly, natural?
I usually wear it straight during the week, but sometimes I curl it on weekends.
In that case, adding some layers might help. Layers give your hair more movement and volume.
Can you explain what you mean by layers?
Of course, layers mean cutting different sections of your hair at different lengths. Instead of everything being one length, some pieces are shorter, which makes it look lighter and more dynamic.
Ah, I see. So it won't look so flat.
Yeah, it'll frame your face better and feel less heavy.
That sounds good. Let's do that.
Would you like some face framing pieces in the front?
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Of course. Would you like shorter pieces in the front that frame your face?
Oh, yes, just a little, not too short.
Understood. Thanks for asking me to repeat that, by the way. That's something you should always feel comfortable doing. You can simply say, "Could you repeat that?" Or, "What do you mean by that?"
That definitely helps when you're unsure.
So, do you have anything special planned this week?
Actually, yes, I have a work event on Friday, which is one reason I wanted a new look.
That's exciting. Is it formal?
Semi-formal. I need to look polished, but not overly styled.
This cut will work perfectly for that. It'll look professional during the day and still elegant in the evening.
That's exactly what I need.
All right, we're getting close to the length you mentioned. Before I cut any shorter, I want you to take a look.
Thanks, I appreciate that. I always get nervous at this point.
That's completely normal. A haircut can feel like a big change.
It really can. Once it's cut, there's no going back.
True, but remember, hair grows back, and we're only taking off a few inches, so it'll still feel like you.
Fair enough. Let's go ahead.
Now I'm going to blow dry it so you can see the final shape.
Sounds good.
Do you usually use any products at home?
Not much, just a little conditioner.
You might consider a light styling cream. It helps reduce frizz and keeps the layers defined.
What does frizz mean exactly?
Frizz is when hair looks puffy or slightly messy because of humidity or dryness. It doesn't lie flat.
Ah, I know that problem very well.
Most of us do. All right, take a look.
Oh, wow. It feels so much lighter.
I'm glad you noticed. The layers give it more movement, and the length still works well for you.
I really like it. It looks healthier too.
That's because we removed the damaged ends.
That makes sense.
All set. The total is $80.
Great. Can I pay by card?
Absolutely.
And how much do people usually tip?
Typically around 15 to 20%, but it's always your choice.
Got it. I'll add 20%.
Thank you. I really appreciate that.
No problem. I'm very happy with the result.
That's wonderful to hear. Would you like to book your next appointment now?
Yes, let's schedule something in about 8 weeks.
Perfect. You're all set for May 10th at 2 p.m.
Sounds good. See you then.
Looking forward to it. Have a great week.
And that's the end of today's conversation at the hair salon.
Now you know how to describe length, ask for layers, clarify vocabulary, talk about styling products, and even handle payment and tipping naturally.
Remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need clear communication. Phrases like, "Could you repeat that?" and "I'd like it a few inches shorter" make a big difference.
The more you practice conversations like this, the more confident you'll feel in real-life situations.
If this lesson helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the English Talk channel.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and we'll see you in the next conversation.
Bye for now, and enjoy your next haircut in English.